So just what is HVAC Solution Software? It's a system design tool schematically, as you can see on the drawing, that allows you to put equipment on your project, define the equipment, and then we'll do all the calculations. We'll select equipment from over 60 manufacturers that we have incorporated into the software, and then we'll provide schedules and reports and other documents to go on your contract documents or design development schematic documents, so that a contractor can see those diagrams, see the schedules, and bid the project. The systems that are involved, you'll see on the left here: air, controls, domestic, hydronic, gas, refrigerant, steam, and VRF. I can get to a component here on the left by just hitting hydronic, coming down to boiler. Cleaver Brooks is what I put on the screen, like a flexible tube, or I maybe want to go condensing. There's the boiler. There's a component that's associated with sizing the gas piping. And then I'll come up here. You'll see up here on the top, so I can get components on the left-hand side or the top. There's a coil. You can just grab that and move that. A pump is here at the top. I'm used to using this top toolbar, so I like kind of going to that. All these things would have been found on the side here. If I would have gone down alphabetically to pump, right down there, you'll see the pump. Or you can type in and search for the components right there, making that real easy. And then once again, I need to just come and leave the components on here. There's hydronic in. There's hydronic in, so this is high and low temperature boiler. Move this down, and there's hydronic out. So come over to the pump. And you'll see as I go around and connect to the system, and then I can come in that load, impose load, and type in whatever load that I want to. And you'll see now that data is going to be passed around the system. System design software. Now you'll see the gas load components over there sizing, so I could hook that to a PRV, a gas meter, and start sizing the gas systems. We get schematics, we do all the calculations, drag a box across, you'll see pipe sizing take place here, component, diameter, flows, temperatures in the system. And then the other documents that we get is file, coordination file options would be ASHRAE 170 report 62, bill materials, controls, equipment schedules, all different types of reports. Obviously, when we do an equipment schedule and select equipment, then that boiler would be populated right here. It would have the manufacturer and the model that meets the capacity of that equipment. We can double left click on the white screen and get to our general project properties, meaning I can put the weather data in, where I'm located, units of measurements, different type of just general data that's associated with your system. We can also come to an import load data, file import, so we can import the load data from, you can see here, Train, Carrier, Elite, Revit. When data is imported into the project, then that data is brought in as space. Right now we're just showing hydronic system, but that data is brought in and from your load, and then we create those system schematics right you see here automatically based on the structure of your load data. I can come in here, file, open example. We have lots of different types of projects or systems for you to see. We'll come here to energy recovery, air-to-air heat recovery, and just see here probably we're going to have a air handler that's got heat recovery in it, then an airflow diagram. Once again, when you start with an air handler, you get an airflow diagram and then the hydronic diagram associated with that, and any other system component that's appropriately going to be part of that project. Hope this has been helpful. Just get you started. Watch my other videos that are get you started on drag and drop and connecting systems, and just getting you kicked off using the software. Hey, thanks for watching.